Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Students, the explanation of the chapter Earth and Beyond have been given to you in the class. Now you have to complete the activity given in your workbook of science. In the activity 5.1 Earth Our Home, you have to complete the blanks given on your page number 80 with the help of your book. You have to just fill the blanks related to your chapter. The blanks continue to the next page, page number 81. Okay, you have to complete all the blanks. In the activity 5.2 regarding to the topic that living things need heat and light energy to survive or not. So for this purpose you need to take two pots of plants and you have to keep these both pots into two different places, one in the cold region and second one in the hot region. Okay, and you have to expose them to the light regularly and also water them properly. Okay, and you have to observe the growth of the plants and answer the questions asked into the next page. After 2 weeks of your observation, you have to answer these questions: which plants are survive and which died. Means light and heat energy is necessary for the plants or not. Okay, you have to answer these questions. In the activity 5.3, you have to measure the temperature with the help of a thermometer, and you have to measure the temperature under the sun and write the answer in the question number 2 column, in the first column. And you have to take the same thermometer under the shade and calculate the temperature and write the temperature in the column number 2 given in the question number 2. And in the third column you have to take the difference between both the temperatures, the temperature which was kept under the sun and which was recorded under the shade. Okay, how you will find out the difference between these two temperatures? You have to subtract the temperature which was recorded in the shade from the temperature which was recorded under the sun. Okay, in the activity 5.4 you have to write about the moon. It's a fun activity. Here are given you three columns, K, W and L. In the first column K, you have to write down what do you know about the moon. And in the second column W, you have to write what do you know, what do you want to find out about the moon. And in the last column L, you have to write what did you learn about the moon after learn this chapter. Okay, and you have to complete these columns according to your information. It's so easy. In activity 5.5 related to your chapter the phases of the moon, you have to write down the dates of the moon and also draw the shapes of the moon. This activity took a whole month, so you may calculate and observe the dates of the moon in the holy month of the Ramadan. The whole month of the Ramadan you have to just write down the date of the moon and also draw the shapes of the moon. So after the month of Ramadan you will be able to complete your this activity. Okay, after observation of the phases of the moon, you also have to write down the answers of the following questions: that how does the moon took time to go through a full cycle, and you have to also state a reason that why you may not observe the moon on a particular night, and you have to answer the question that during which phase the moon does it appear the biggest and the brightest. Means the full moon you will see on which phase of the moon. Okay, and then the last question you have to answer: can you see the moon during the day or not? Why is this so? Okay, in the question number 7 you have to draw the shapes of the moon in the boxes given below to complete the cycle of the moon. Okay, you may take help from your textbook to complete the phases of the moon. In the activity 5.6 it's related to your topic solar system. Here a map is given to you and the boxes blank boxes are given to you in this map. You have to fill these boxes with the help of your solar system. You may write the blanks with the planets or Earth, Moon, Sun. You may use, because with the along with the boxes, here are some hints given to you, like it is made up of hot gases or found in the atmosphere. So you have to fill these spaces with the um, things or objects you may observe and you have learned in your chapter. So you may take help from the textbook. Hope you won't find any difficulty in this activity. Okay, thank you students for your attention. Now your chapter and skill book have been completed uh, regarding the topic Earth and Beyond. So be ready for yourself for the upcoming test of the whole chapter. So you have to learn the chapter properly, each and everything. So I will take the test of this chapter inshallah very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.